agricultural application of lipids, natural products, and synthetic organic compounds. In a field of agriculture, we should create a new way of producing products without harming our environment, understanding the role and importance of everything that could be affected in our agricultural practice. Population grows every day, and to provide the needs of every people, we should undergo innovations while maintaining and protecting our natural environment. Our goal is to have a sustainability source of needs. Our action matters and every steps a decision made. The study of lipids, natural products, and synthetic organic compounds help us understand to become knowledgeable enough and knowing their role in agriculture. Lipids are parts in the process where our livestock and plant grows. Promote high quality agricultural products resulting in profitable and sustainable source of needs. Natural products serve as biochemicals, where producing living organisms help in crop production, pest control, and soil health, ensuring to create environmental friendly practice. Synthetic organic compounds are result in creating different agrochemical and agricultural tools and equipment used in agricultural practice. It also helps to increase the yield of the production. These three major molecules mentioned holds an important role in the agricultural practices. Proper management and use of it will result in sustainability. It's also in our hands what will be the consequences happen because of our actions. For a long-term agricultural productivity, our water would be conserved, enhance soil fertility, and reduce pollution. The future generation would probably continue as we do our part in conserving our environmental while gaining our needs.